To start, for our clotted cream, heat up your oven to about 175. And then you're going to get yourself about a 9-inch baking dish. You want it to be a little deep because we're going to use 2 pints of our heavy cream. I am using the cream that I got from Azure Standard. It is organic, and I want this to be the absolute best clotted cream that I could make. I'm very excited about this. So this is going to be all organic. Next, you're going to pour your 2 pints into your baking dish, and it's going to be probably about 1.5 to 2 inches deep. And this is what is going to make our clotted cream, guys. Doesn't that look rich and delicious already? Next, you're going to pop it in your oven, and you want it to stay in your oven about 12 hours. So shoot it for 175. We're going to check back here in about 12 hours and show you what this looks like. I cannot wait to see how this turns out. Okay, so our clotted cream experiment has been in the oven for 12 hours on 175 degrees. We're going to pull it out and see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like, guys. We need to let it sit out and cool for about an hour. Then it goes into the fridge for 12 hours. I'm going to cover it with saran wrap, so I'll show you how to do that. But look at that buttery cream that has come up along the sides of this. Is that not gorgeous? I cannot wait to try this in the morning. All right, guys, we got it covered with saran wrap, and we're going to put it in the fridge for 12 hours. All right, y'all, it's been over 15 or over 12 hours since we put it in the fridge. It's been about 15 and a half hours. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. Ooh, this looks really, really fantastic. So, guys, when you're getting your clotted cream together, it's really just the top that you want to try to get. And let's see, and you can see, ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. So we're going to start putting this in our bowl over here. And I got some biscuits in the oven that we're going to taste. Woo-wee. Give you a good look at it. So there is your clotted cream, and it looks very extra rich and creamy. So if you're going to make homemade biscuits, you might want to go ahead and save this cream right here and use this to make your biscuits with. So guys, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now, a lot of people use these on scones. We're going to use them on biscuits. You can use it on some toast possibly, or fresh baked bread, some sourdough bread. And I've noticed that even Starbucks has come out with a coffee that says it has clotted cream in it. Although I've seen some other videos that said it's not actual clotted cream. So we have made the real clotted cream here in Texas. We are very excited about it, and I'm ready to dig into it. Now, before I put my clotted cream on my biscuit, I put a little bit of raspberry cherry preserves on it. Very good and very rich. It has a slight buttery taste. Absolutely delicious. So guys, I'm going to finish up my biscuit here, but I wanted to show you what I made this stuff with. We received our first order from Azure Standard this week, and we bought some of this Alexandre Family Farm A2 heavy whipping cream just for this purpose. I wanted to make this. I had seen some videos out there. Actually, a video caught my eye about a tea house not serving real clotted cream, and I thought, what is that? And so I went and looked it up, and I watched a couple of tea house videos, and I had made the decision then that I wanted to make some of this and see how hard it was or how easy it was, and see what it tasted like. So I'm very excited about this. I imagine it'll last several days in the fridge. And again, you can add this to your coffee, to your biscuits, to some scones, to some fresh baked bread. So I hope you guys try this. This is something maybe a little extra for your family, a little surprise for them that they might enjoy. So God bless you all. We love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.